Hi guys, it's Nikki, creator of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Today I would like to teach you how I tie together two strands in order to keep going on a project. I found this idea from a person in one of my crochet groups. I thought it was really cool, and I wanted to share it to you guys here because it's hard to share it from a group. Anyways, so you have two strands of yarn right here, okay? And you hold them in a way that the back one is coming underneath the front one. Okay, you hold it like this. Okay, then I wrap around twice around my thumb with the strands of yarn right here, the ends. Okay, like twice. Then I go and wrap it around here, like here, just right over, like this, between the thumb and the ends. And then I tuck this in, like that. And then I pull like that, and that's very secure. If you see some fuzzy stuff like this coming off, that's fine, you can just cut it off. But this is how I make my knots really tight. If you wrap it around too many times, then the knot gets too big, so try once or twice, just not to make it super duper big. Okay, so this is how I tie my knots, but you know, there's other ways to do it in order to eliminate a bulk when you do your projects. This is just how I do it. This is not really a big deal for me. If you have thicker yarn, it kind of disappears in between anyways. Alright, I hope this video was helpful in how to do this, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching. Bye!